You're not gonna believe what just fell in my hands. YouTube family, what is going on? We're back for yet another one. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, man, and I got a special video for y'all today because I got a pair of shoes that I'm excited about, and hopefully y'all will be excited about this one too, man. I thought that this shoe would be a shoe that I would never own, but as y'all seen from the intro, it fell in my hands. But we're about to talk about that. Before we do, if this is your first time stopping through, or you have stopped through before but you have not joined the fam yet, it's very simple. All y'all gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Do that for your boy Jay. Join the fam. We got a lot of dope things coming in the future, and we would love for y'all to be a part of the family, man. But if you are already a part of the family, and I mean, if you ain't a part of the family, you can still do it as well, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Y'all have been going crazy with it. Like, that's underestimate me. Like, that's bruh, y'all have been going berserk with that like button, man. And we have been getting out there, and a lot of new members of the fam have been rolling in because of you guys been hitting that like button. So I appreciate y'all hitting that like button. But don't stop there, man. Go ahead, hit that like button again for your boy. Let's run them up. It is free. That's all I ask from y'all. No donations, no money, no hit that like button. That's all I need. So scroll down real quick, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and get this video started, man. But this video, like I did say, is about a pair of shoes that your boy picked up. I do have to give y'all a little backstory about where I got this shoe from and where you guys can get shoes like this from. So your boy did check out Champion Kicks. They are a membership program, basically, where you pay $10 a month. Yes, $10 a month, but that is nothing. You will get that back instantly. They have tons and tons of steals and deals over on their page. You just check them out, and they're shoes that are DS, shoes that are very near DS. So I mean, you can get tons of steals and deals on there. Shoes like this that I'm about to show y'all, and plenty others. We will go through a couple shoes that they will be having on their page. They will be having a restock on January 7th, which is, I think, Monday. I want to say that's or Saturday. Actually, I'm tripping. That's Saturday. So this Saturday, man, you guys want to probably get that membership ASAP, because they are having a restock on Saturday, and I know their items go fast, so it's like first come first serve type deal. But we will talk more about some of the items that they will be having on Saturday, as well as what you guys need to do to go ahead and get that membership going. So without any further ado, let's dive into this box, see what we got inside, and let's talk more about Champion Kicks. So yes sir, it fell in my hands just like that. But I do have a package here from Champion Kicks. Shipping is fast, hey, communication is great, and we got a package right here to unbox. And like I did tell y'all, didn't think that I would ever own this shoe, but dope to have it, and I'm dope to see what they look like. And let's get to it, man. So popping open the box, we got the box. Bang, man. As you can see right there, we got a Nike SB box, man. So teal, black, y'all seen one, seen them all. You do have that right there. Size tag on this one reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro OGQS, size 9, and the color blocking on this one is voltage purple. So same thing, you know, twice. Popping open the lid, I see we do have a lot number right there on that side. And Champion Kicks, 100% legit. All their products is 100% legit. So trust me, all those items that you see on there, those steal prices, you might be like, dang, that's a little bit too nah, bro. Everything is A1, 100% legit. But like I said, back to the shoe. Let's see what they sent your boy. And we do have a pair of Nike SB Dunk. Voila. Bang! Purple lobsters. So yes, man, your boy does now have a pair of purple lobsters in the collection. Shout out to Champion Kicks, man. And y'all can own shoes just like this for the low. All you gotta do is pay that $10 membership fee, and it'll give you access to tons and tons of different shoes. Like I said, I'm gonna go through that list in a second. Let me just check out this shoe that I just got. So I do see right here in this shoe, it does have a spare pair of laces, and I see the laces were swapped because they come with white laces, I want to say. But man, bang, take a look at them purple lobsters right there. And real quick, let me go ahead, let me go more into this box. I need to take out this other shoe and check out. So hey, everything comes with it. We got our band right here for, you know, the lobster claws. Of course, it comes with 2 of them. So you do got that purple or dark navy blue, and you do got that grayish white band right there. Here go the laces, OG laces, the white laces that they come with. So it does come with the two extra sets of laces and the rubber band, so everything is OG all, and bang, here go the other shoe, man. So the Nike SB Dunk Purple Lobsters officially in the collection. Shout out to Champion Kicks, man. Hey, couldn't have found a deal like this nowhere else, man. So I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all want to get some steals and deals, some good deals on some good legit kicks, you need to check out Champion Kicks. And like I said, they will be having a restock this Saturday, January 7th. Man, beautiful shoes right here, bro. But here they go, the Nike SB Dunk Low Quick Strike Purple Lobster things, man. Taking a look at the outsole, worn maybe once, twice, very near dead stock, man. Your boy Jay clean them up a little bit, spray a little bit of, you know, Lysol on the inside, and we good to go, man. So your boy does now officially have orange and purple lobsters, man. Let me know down below your feedback. Which lobster we going with, man? We going with the orange or we going with the purples, man? These purples is kind of clean, I ain't gonna hold you. That type of purple that they put on there is fire, man. They put a crazy color purple on here, but let me know between the two, which one we going with, purple or orange lobsters. Both dope shoes in my opinion. Glad to own both of them. I love the interior. That look like some grape jelly, don't it? You know what I'm saying? It look like some grape jelly on the inside of that. But there you go, both purple and orange lobsters, man. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Which one do you guys prefer, man? But definitely a clean shoe, and I appreciate the steal of a deal from Champion Kicks, man. So if you guys want to get some kicks like this, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know a couple of the shoes that will be restocking this Saturday, January 7th. So hurry up, get the memberships in, because you do not want to miss any of these. So taking a look at the list, it does say at 9 p.m. Eastern, in size 8 they will have the Air Jordan 6 hairs for $75. The women's silver toes, $75. Air Jordan 12 royalty to taxis, $125. 8.5, they have a DS pair of Air Jordan 3 Cardinals for $125. A couple more shoes in 8.5. I see they do have in size 9 the Jordan 4 Guava Ice for $350. You can't beat that price, man. So they do have those there. They got Zebra 350s for $150. Size 9.5 taupe hazes, $275. Size 10 Pirate Black Yeezys for $400. They got Cherry 11s, the low tops 2016, $175. 2020 Flints, $100. 10.5, man, like Fire Reds, $100. So they have tons and tons of steals going on this Saturday. So you need to make sure that you guys get a membership and do not sleep, because tons and tons of steals and deals on there. And like I said, man, they shoes are pretty much very near dead stock. You cannot even tell that they have been worn, other than, of course, these aren't factory laces, you know, but a little bit of scuffed dirt on the bottom. But for the most part, these look flawless, bro. These look like they have not been, hold on, don't fall. It's gonna fall, so let me set that like that. But other than, like I said, the bottom, these shoes look flawless, man. You cannot tell at all. So big shout out to Champion Kicks for doing what they doing. I almost dropped that, but for doing what they doing and supplying the community, man, because they giving away deals. They giving away steals and deals, man. So do not sleep on Champion Kicks. Get your membership now, because it's gonna be too late. It's gonna be too late. Shoes gonna be gone, man. But check them out. Your boy puts his stamp on it. Y'all already know. But other than that, man, purple lobsters in the collection, orange lobsters in the collection. Should I cop some more lobsters? I don't know, man. This is making me want to cop some more lobsters, but I don't know. They kind of pricey. But anyways, man, your boy Jay is gone. Till the next time, y'all stay blessed. Peace.